Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is the best way to make passive income online. So, let's get started. So, passive income allows you to put in the work one time and then get residual income coming back over and over again from that. But to be clear, you do need to put in the work beforehand. If you're not willing to put in the work before you actually make the income, it's just not going to work. So you really need to be active and be ready to put in the work over and over and over again, because otherwise it just won't happen. But the good news is if you are willing to sacrifice the time and to put in the work to actually make it, you absolutely can make money online and passive income from that. So if you do want to know how to do this, stick around. So the way I do this is YouTube. So YouTube isn't going to make a lot of people happy, but this is the most powerful way to do this, so I'm sorry about that. But YouTube is the best way that you can do this, because you are going to be able to build a brand and people will get to know you, get to see your face, know who you are, and that's just the most powerful way to build a business online. So YouTube is the way to go, especially if you have no money, which a lot of you do not have. And by the way, when I say YouTube, I don't mean running ads on YouTube. Yes, you can run ads on YouTube, and you absolutely should, because this should help you grow. But this is not going to be the most income that you're going to get. Your income is not going to grow with YouTube ads. Yes, you will be able to make some money, but you do not want to rely on that because it's very unstable and very low as well. So what you're going to do is you're going to have to create videos, and you're going to have to create videos on a consistent, regular basis. And you have to understand your niche as well as your market, because you don't want to post videos that people do not like and that your audience is absolutely not interested. You want to have a targeted audience so that you can sell them further on, which I'm going to explain later in this video. And by the way, you don't have to be an expert to do this, because you can just learn something online and bring it back on your videos and share it with your audience. And that is why people will buy from you rather than somebody else, because you are sharing the information that they want, that your audience is interested in. So you need to ask yourself, who is my audience? What are their issues? How can I make a video to help them solve their issues? And how are you going to bring them value? The next thing that you need is an offer to help them out. But also this is how you're going to make some money. So you need to have an offer that's going to help your audience. So no matter what niche you're in, you have to find an offer. And the best way to do this, I feel, is affiliate marketing. Some people have their own products, which is awesome. I don't take back anything from that. But there's a whole lot more to deal with, which is customer service, shipping products if it's physical products, and dealing with customers that aren't happy, which they always will be. With affiliate marketing, you will not have that issue, because all you're doing is recommending a product to someone, you're getting a commission, and the company that have that product will deal with all the rest. So you don't have to deal with that, and that's pretty awesome, especially if you don't have very much time. Then what you're going to do is you're going to create leads by having a CTA, which is a call to action. A call to action is called a CTA. What you do is you're going to tell people that you have something for them for free, 100%, that you are going to give away, and that when they click that link, so you put that link in the description, when they click that link, they are going to have to enter their email to get that something that's for free. So it can be an ebook, it can be something that you recommend, some more value that you're sharing with them, whatever it may be. It has to be something for free. You share that, they enter the email, and now you're building an email list. And an email list is one of the best things that you can do, especially with an online business. That way, once you have their email, what you do is you send them emails helping them out, and from time to time you promote an offer. And that offer is going to be what is going to generate you some income. So what I do on my channel is a lot of how-tos, because that is kind of my niche is helping people out making money online. And people come on YouTube for two reasons. One reason is for entertainment, so they want to watch their favorite YouTubers, vloggers, whatever it may be. And there's another category of people that will, times, it depends, who want to learn something. And this is what I want to go into. So a lot of my videos are how-tos, and you have to title the videos the right way so that you get ranked up on YouTube. So this is the basics of how to grow a YouTube channel and a business off YouTube. So if you're interested in more of that, which I do a lot of, on getting to teach people how to make money online, make sure that you do subscribe to my channel, because I'll be posting way more content than that. I'm posting videos every single day. So make sure that you do subscribe, hit that notification bell as well, because YouTube will not show you my videos even if you do subscribe. So make sure that you hit that bell, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.